Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. Choose the correct option and give justification. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 cm and the distance of Q from the center is 25 cm. The radius of the circle is option A 7 cm, option B 12 cm, option C 15 cm, option D 24.5 cm. So, to find out the correct option, let us draw a figure first based on the question. So, here I have drawn a circle with the center O. Then it is given in the question an external point Q. Then the length of the tangent to the circle is 24 centimeter. Here the tangent is PQ. It is marked here 24 centimeter. Then distance of Q from center is 25 centimeter. Distance of Q from center is OQ. It is 25 centimeter. The question is find the radius. Here the radius is OP. So we need to find out the value of OP. We know this OP is the radius and PQ is the tangent. And in theorem 1, we have studied the tangent and radius making right angles. So, this angle P is right angle. So, this triangle POQ is a right triangle. So, we can apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. In right triangle OPQ, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. Here hypotenuse is 25. So 25 square equal to 24 square plus height square. That is 625 equal to 576 plus height square. Let us change the sides. 576 plus height square equal to 625. Height square equal to 625 minus 576. That is height square equal to 49. Height equal to root of 49, that is equal to 7 centimeter. So, here the correct option is option A 7 centimeter. Second question, in figure if TP and TQ are the two tangents to a circle with center O, so that angle POQ equal to 110 degree, then angle PTQ is equal to option A 60 degree, option B 70 degree, option C 80 degree, option D 90 degree. So first let us draw a figure. Here is drawn a circle with center O. Given in the question, TP and TQ are the two tangents. So here is drawn TP and TQ, two tangents. Then it is given angle POQ equal to 110 degree. We need to find out this angle PTQ. So you see the figure, we can understand this OPTQ is a quadrilateral and we know the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. The sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So we can write in quadrilateral OPTQ, angle O plus, angle P plus, angle T plus, angle Q equal to 360 degree. Now you see the figure. This OP is the radius and PT is the tangent. So this angle P is 90 degree. Similarly, OQ is the radius and TQ is the tangent. So this angle Q also 90 degree. So here 110 degree plus 90 degree plus angle T plus 90 degree equal to 360 degree. That is 290 degree plus angle T equal to 360 degree. Angle T equal to 360 degree minus 290 degree. That is angle T equal to 70 degree. Angle T means angle PTQ. Therefore, angle PTQ equal to 70 degree. So, here the correct option is option B, 70 degree. Question number 3. If tangents PA and PB from a point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other at an angle of 80 degree, then angle POA is equal to option A 50 degree, option B 60 degree, option C 70 degree, option D 80 degree. So here is drawn a circle with the center O. P is the external point. PA and PB are the tangents. It is given in the question the tangents are inclined to each other at angle of 80 degree. So here this angle is 80 degree. We need to find out angle POA. We have studied in the remarks of theorem 2 that this OP is the bisector of angle P and angle O. Here we need to find out angle POA. POA is the half of the angle AOB. So to find out angle POA, first we need to find out angle AOB or simply angle O. So we can find out it. We know OAPB is a quadrilateral. So angle O plus, angle A plus, angle P plus, angle B equal to 360 degree. That is angle O plus 90 degree plus 80 degree plus 90 degree equal to 360 degree. That is angle O plus 260 degree equal to 360 degree. Angle O equal to 360 degree minus 260 degree. That is angle O equal to 100 degree. So we got this angle O is 100 degree. And this OP is the bisector. So POA is half of angle O. That is equal to half into 100. That is equal to 50 degree. So here the correct option is option A, 50 degree.
Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt,